Aloha! I'm Chef Daniel Eskelsen, the general manager of O'o Farm, an 8.5 acre property in upcountry Maui. We grow a highly diversified array of fresh produce in order to service the needs of the chefs in our company, whether it's the restaurant at Pacifico or here at O'o Farm for our tour and luncheon. Well, here at O'o Farm, we like to utilize a lot of fresh ingredients, and one of the things we have in abundance is citrus. And a great way to utilize citrus, especially lemon, when you don't want to just juice it and toss the peel away, is to make salted lemon preserves. It's one of my favorite preparations to add to all sorts of things, especially fish dishes and salad. And when I make lemon preserves, I like it to be ready to go, all prepared. So you can just take them out of the container, give them a mince, and add them to all sorts of things. So my favorite way to do that is to take the lemon and quarter it, take out the center, and scrape out the seeds, and then scoop the flesh. So you have all the juice in the flesh, and then the peel. And you add that to a nice bowl of a nice coarse sea salt, and then juice all the lemons there. Macerate it, and then that way when you put it in a container, you can just mince that lemon and add it to a really nice salad or braised greens, or even just as a garnish for a nice fresh fish. So we're going to start off by searing some of our ono, which is our catch of the day. And I have our O'o Farm signature marinade, which is our O'o espresso, and then also some dehydrated lavender and a little bit of fresh allspice, and then just a little bit of cooking oil and a little touch of rice wine vinegar and a little bit of that Hawaiian sea salt. So you can just coat the ono fillets in that and they're ready to go. Use a nice cast iron skillet, preheat that so you get a really nice sear initially, and then let's start making our salad. Another thing that goes really great with citrus is our avocados. And we've got some beautiful limes. So I just have an avocado, herb, and citrus dressing here. And for our greens, I've added in some of our toasted black rice and white quinoa with some ruby streak mustard greens, arugula, and shungiku, a nice baby chrysanthemum green. Just gonna toss those together. A few of our pea tendrils for garnish. And then all the liquid from your salted lemon preserves is nicely salted because of the sea salt, and then of course that nice tangy citrus makes for a nice simple, really beautiful dressing for greens. So it's a great way to use 100% of your salted lemon preserves. Pea tendrils are nice and hearty, so they make a wonderful bed to plate proteins on top of. And then where the salted lemon preserves come in handy as a nice garnish, after about 2 days on the shelf, they soften up, and then you can let them cure for another week or two in the refrigerator. Some shaved hapure turnips, some red ace, golden beets. Rotate our ono over here. So we've got some beautiful finger limes, the caviar of citrus, which makes for a nice garnish. You can really just scoop those right out of the peel. All the segments in the finger lime are not conjoined, so they're free, and they just kind of garnish things nicely, just like caviar, but it's a beautiful lime flavor. A nice sear there. Our fresh catch of the day, shaved veggies, an avo citrus spread, and all those beautiful greens there.